me know in the chat section whether my voice is audible or not. Okay, great. So just give me 1 minute, okay, max, and then I'll start it. So now in today's session, we are going to discuss about the GATE GA part. Okay, I think that the basic things I hope you all have understood, okay, better for syllabus part and these things. But now I'm going to give you a more glimpse about that. I'm going to share my screen. Just let me know once my screen is visible to you guys. Just give me. Okay. So I think my screen is visible to you guys. If it is visible, just let me know. Is it visible? Is it visible, guys? Is the screen is visible? So now we are going to see that thing, okay, for the GATE DA part. I think that you have know this thing. Last year, from last year onwards, the GATE has started with the GATE data science and the artificial intelligence and machine learning. We have also a specific section or specific branches also available for that, where we are going to take off these sections. Like GATE AI and ML isn't available for all the IITs, but it is available in certain IITs. I think the some new IITs it has availability. All old IITs have this kind of GATE ML and AI availability, and after that, some IITs also having that availability. Now, before starting the session, I'd like to ask you certain things that if your my screen is visible to you guys, you can ask me any question or doubt during the session or after the session if you have anything to say. Otherwise, if you want to speak to me or talk to me, then there is a talk button is also going on. You can unmute yourself and you can talk to me. My conversation will be on this session will go on the English, but if you want, I can continue with the Hindi and English mix. Okay, that is completely up to you. Whatever you will say, I will follow the same language instructions. That is from this. Now, any one of you from the chat section, okay, from the live or chat section both, anyone has given the previous year GATE data science and artificial intelligence paper? Anyone? Anyone? Anyone from the chat section have they given the GATE data science on the last year, or have they checked the question paper? None of you has given. None of you. किसी ने भी नहीं दिया. No issue. Okay. So, no issue. I think the first thing, okay, we have received some messages that Surya is saying no. Okay. Swampnil is saying that checked question paper. Okay. And we have Akshay, Akhil, and Vivek. Okay. 2 persons has given, and 1 person, Vivek, isn't given the question. So, no issue with that. Last year, on the basis of a last year question paper, see guys, I'm telling you again that the GATE data science, okay, GATE data science is a bit different rather than all of the examination. Remaining paper, if the GATE is taking, if I'm taking about the account of a computer science, EC, okay, electrical, mechanical, okay, civil, then CS and IT, you can take both, okay. Then chemical. Okay, if these 6 branches, the core branches, if I'm going to consider, the sequence are common. Okay, 15 marks general aptitude, and then 15 marks general mathematics. Remaining our 70 marks is for the core subject. This is how it will work for the all other subjected. But in the case of GATE data science, it isn't working like this. GATE aptitude is general aptitude is 15 marks, but it can go till 20 to 25 marks too. Okay, so it doesn't stop at only here. It can move more than this, right? Probability, statistics, 8 to 10 marks, linear algebra 10 to 12 marks, calculus and optimization 10 to 12 marks. Programming, data structure and algorithm 12 to 15 marks, but this can go till 20 marks. DBMS and warehousing 10 to 12 marks, but 15 marks max it can go. Machine learning 7 to 8x, and artificial learning is 15 to 18 marks. This is a switchable thing. Okay, if this for the last year artificial intelligence, I will show you also in the last year pattern what they have asked and how much questions they have asked in the specific section. If I'm comparing to the last year question paper, I'm going to show you the comparison part too. But this is what we are expecting, what we have got so far. Okay, but also on the detailed explanation, I will show you more data that exactly how much things and how much marks we have received in how much section. Okay, so first of all, you have a general aptitude, probability stats, general linear algebra, calculus optimization, data structure algorithm, programming, DBMS, machine learning, and AI. These are the topics that you need to learn. This is the syllabus part, basically. This is the topic of content that you need to discuss before going into the examination. Okay, now I'm coming to the first syllabus part. Probability and statistics, here is the syllabus part. Here, last year, bias theorem, okay, cumulative distribution, jet test, t-test, random variables, and one more, yeah, continuous random variable and central limit theorem. These are the 6 topics or 7 topics they have asked in the last year. Okay, the question that was formatted on the probability and statistics, they have asked the question on this, sorry, chi-square test 2. Okay, it was not 100% chi-square test, but it has the part of the chi-square test that they has asked in the previous year. Now, if you've seen the question, that the question was basically 1 marks or 2 marks. Okay, even in this section, we also have seen the MSQ question, that is the multiple select question they have also asked. So yeah, precisely, this is the section that you don't have to leave. And guys, again, I'm telling you, whatever you have learned in your engineering in the mathematics 1, 2, 3, we are not doing anything extra if we are going to compare this thing, right? We are not going to do anything extra. All things that you have discussed in your semester 1, semester 2, and semester 3. I think so far some people have learned 3 mathematics, in some 4 mathematics they have learned. Okay, uh, just a second, guys. uh, uh Bharat, this meeting is already recording. Okay, so this meeting is already in the recording format. You will get the recording once the session will be over, so no need to separately record this meeting. Okay, this meeting is already in the recording format. So you will, this meeting is already uploaded once the session will be over. Now, so this topic has asked in the previous year. Now, for this year, I'm not going to say that these topic will not repeat, because see, the bias theorem, the t-test, jet test, the conditional, then uniform, and the mean median mode part. This is, if we are leaving this part, then we have nothing left in the probability and statistics. It means that there is a 100% surety that these part will definitely come if this year too. So this topic is really important. How you will learn and how to solve the questions and what will be your roadmap, I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you in a bit. First, you see the what syllabus part. Once this part is done, then I think, okay. Once this part is done, then the second section is our linear algebra. Now, in the linear algebra, again, the matrix determinant, I think all you know. So these 2 topics is blindly we can take on this. Last year, one question on the rank, okay, one question from the eigenvalue and one question from the LU decomposition we have got, okay. But this year again, if the LU has asked, then this is a higher chance, and this year we are getting the SVD, single value decomposition. Then rank and nullity, it's an alternate part, either rank will question ask or the nullity will question they ask. Since the eigenvalue and eigenvector has asked, so it might be possible they will ask about the determinant, okay. Then from here again, there is nothing to eliminate. All things are important. All thing in that anything they could ask. Okay, so 2 section. If we are just covering the mathematics section, 2 section has done so far. Then the third section we have the calculus, right? So in the calculus there is nothing much, but still it got at least 6 to 7 marks of the question. In the calculus, if I'm asking about this last year, this 2 topic they have asked, but this year the Taylor series. Okay, so see, there is a tricky part over there. They will not ask only Taylor series. Okay, some if you have learned the Laurent series, okay, that is Euler series. So you just need to go through this series part two, because we have no idea whether the series is coming. It means that the iteration is coming. In the iteration, there are lots of iterations, theories, or numerical part is going on. Only the Taylor series is important. This we cannot say. So like if I'm applying a certain condition on the Taylor series, then it's becoming the Laurent series. Okay, so you need to learn that application part, but don't stuck with the okay in the in the syllabus part. The Taylor series is already mentioned. We are not going to focus any other thing. That is not gonna work. You need to focus on the series associated with that series part too. Okay. So, so far the mathematics part combinedly, I think if you done the mathematics part, approximately your, I can say, uh, 20 to 25 marks or 30 marks. Okay. So 20 to 30 marks is the mathematics part, right? Even this data can go more, but still I'm just focusing on that thing. It might be possible that the data will not go this much more, but 20 to 30 at least we are expecting. Okay. Now, programming and data structure, then programming in Python. Last year, this question has asked, okay, search algorithm questions, divide and conquer, and introduction of a graph theory. These four questions, even the search questions is also came. That is the binary search problem. They have also asked this problem. So we cannot say, okay, we cannot confirm that part whether if the question has yeah, asked in the previous year, then they will not ask in this year, because the syllabus is huge. It might be possible that they will not ask. It might be possible that they will ask. But for your surety, cover the entire question. Okay, cover the entire topic. DBMS is a theoretical topic. If you want to complete the DBMS, then I hope most of you guys are from the computer science background. So if you have seen the GATE computer science question paper, it is not more difficult than that. Okay, mostly theoretical question they have asked. Yet one thing is, in the warehousing case, the question was completely new. So I will do one thing, guys. Okay, don't worry about that. I'm going to just show you the syllabus part. Each question, whatever it has done, one by one questions, as well as the marking distribution, I'm going to explain in this session only. In the upcoming session, I'm going to show you the different all different possibilities of a questions too. Like DBMS, we have the data set for the DBMS. I'm not gonna say that just data science has just asked in the 1 year in the last year that has happened, but the DBMS isn't happened in the last year only. The computer science background people know that DBMS is also kind of a main subject of their syllabus, and computer science GATE aspirants know that already last 5 to 6 years the DBMS also has a great impact. At least 7 to 8 marks minimum they are asking in the GATE examination. So on the basis of that, we will do more practice on that part too. So for the reference of a programming, data structure and algorithm, DBMS, mathematics part, general aptitude part, we have lots of a question available. Yet machine learning, artificial intelligence and warehousing is a topic which we have not such much amount of a bucket. So we are going to refer some books for that too. Okay. I have in my stream some books detail, as well as what GFG is going to provide you, what GFG is providing you. We are going to discuss that part too. Okay. Next. Section 6 in the machine learning. Last year, there are less question appeared in the machine learning, more in the artificial intelligence. But if you have a good command on the Python, okay, then this, 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 and this. Okay, 6 to 7 topics they have tried to cover maximum. Okay, in the machine learning topic, 7 to 8 marks. They are usually they ask in the examination. We are expecting at least 12 to 13 marks in this year for the machine learning section. Yet, the topics could be theoretical or numerical. It is not confirmed yet, but based on the last year, it will be mixed. Okay. Last topic is our artificial intelligence, where here everything was done. Okay, not a single topic I can say that this topic hasn't asked in the last year. Each and every topic they have picked and asked. Okay, so be ready for that. The all theoretical problem and the things that go in the other way, they have asked. They have tried to and dig you in the every possible way if we are talking about the artificial intelligence topic. So yes, this is also really important. All questions, all topics, it need to be understood. Okay. And how many of you have not know the general aptitude data? If you want me to show you the general aptitude part two, I can show you. If anyone know, then if you want me to leave, then I can leave that part too. Anyone? You all know the general aptitude data, or you want me to show the general aptitude part two? Quickly, guys. I need your response quickly. थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी response दीजिए आप लोग. Okay. Leave show. ठीक है. 50-50 हो रहा है. Please show. Okay. 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 No issue. Okay. So let's see that data too. Okay. So the for that I'm just moving backside. This was the aptitude data. Okay. So in the aptitude section, we have the four sections are divided. The first one is the verbal aptitude. Second one is the quantitative aptitude. Third one, analytical aptitude. Fourth one is the spatial aptitude. Okay. In the first topic, each and every one of you can easily attempt that part because what the question they will ask. Okay. Yeah, guys. From the chat section, I'm showing you. Please see that thing. In the verbal aptitude, okay, see, I'm not going to give you the fake hope that the question are easy or question are tough. Okay, the type of a question I'm going to explain. The difficulty level is still unknown. So the type of a question they ask usually, I'm going to tell you about that. As you can see now, the basic grammar. You all know the basic grammar. Where in that basic grammar, the tenses involved. Okay, the tenses. Okay, then preposition, conjunction, okay, noun, pronoun, okay, these topic. I want you to follow any class 12th book, okay? I'm not saying to attempt for go for more book, just class 12th book, you just go, okay? Learn the basic, what is the, what is the difference between and among, okay? What is the difference between on to, into, okay? What we use, if the something is in motion, then we use in or we use in something different kind of a preposition like this question, okay, or the problem on tenses. Because if you learn entire thing, one question they will ask on this. Okay. So one question has done. Now the second question is they will give you 200 words paragraph. Okay. You need to read the 200 paragraph. Now the question could be asked is fill in the blanks where you need to find the antonyms or synonyms for that. Second question could be asked as what is the exact context of the above passage? There are four options given and you need to select one of these options. Okay. Just be remember, sometimes they ask the in the context saying, okay, what is the context of this above paragraph? One or more than one options could be correct. Okay. So it could be the MSQ question. So be very careful for that. Third one is antonyms, synonyms has done. And third one is suppose if they are writing a statement, okay, and after that they are writing one more statement which has some incorrection. Okay. So in that case, in the incorrection cases, they will ask some different kind of a part two. Like if you remember this kind of a question, this year question, okay, I think the paragraph was given and mm, I think the question was I think the question was fast is fast and then arrow was written to starve. Okay. So if the person who is doing the fasting and then after certain period of time, he's more, he's hungry and then after some certain period of time, the maximum hit could be the starve. Okay. Same goes as a dry. Then what will be the next thing? So over there are certain options given, the arid. Okay. So dry, okay, then if it is more dryness, okay, and then the final when dryness is coming at the peak, that is called as the arid. So this kind of a questions they have asked in the last year. You don't have to worry about these questions because these questions are not difficult. Only the representation is a bit difficult. This part isn't difficult, okay, but you can do easily part because I believe all of you have seen at least class 12th part, class 12th English part, the grammar part. Also, I hope you are in the third year or fourth year or in the preparation mode. So you have just see that thing, that's all. You don't have to take much more data in that. 2 to 3 marks, okay. we are expecting from that. Now coming on this topic, quantitative aptitude, again, I think if you remember, there was a pie chart came last year. Okay. And on the basis of pie chart, one data is also given like this. We have to find out from here in the pie chart, we need to find something from here and we need to put over here to find the exact value. Question was very easy, maximum 3 to 4 minutes. It took time to make the question. It was just bit calculated. So remember the data interpretation, this all data graph, pie chart, line chart, okay, or tabular, okay. These three graph function is definitely come because once it is coming, your ratio part, proportion part, then percentage part, profit loss, okay, then simple interest, compound interest, all things will got vanished, okay, because these all data they can ask simply from asking our data interpretation question. So remember, I am not saying that data interpretation is available for only the data in the data science. Data interpretation is the topic which you just go and see the last 5 years of any question paper which are organized by the GATE, whether it's electrical, mechanical, civil, chemical, aerospace engineering, any of this. Okay, the data interpretation is definitely they are gonna ask. Last 6 years they have introduced and they are continuously asking on these topic. Why? Because they have removed certain things like problem on the clock, problem on the calendar. Okay, even the percentage profit loss, these individual topics they have removed. They are not asking much. They are combining this topic with the our data interpretation and asking the question, right? Now, percentage, exponent formula, logarithm. Out of these four formula, one question or one topic they will ask. Either exponent question will come, or the power question will come, or the logarithm question will come like this. Now here, permutation, okay. Okay, sorry. Permutation series, permutation combination and series mensuration. Okay, sorry. Permutation combination and probability. Out of these two, one question they will ask. Mensuration, elementary statistics, and the geometry. Out of this, one question they will ask. So remember that. Okay, you have no idea which question they will ask or which set you are going to receive. Okay. So there is a bit of manipulation here, and you need to understand what exactly they are going to ask over here. But the thing is only work like this. Data interpretation part, that is 100% sure. I am not saying that there is a dilemma on this. This is 100% sure that what they will ask. After that, ratios percentage, exponent, and logarithm part. One part, any of these, one part they will come. Last year, they have asked a question on the ratio. Okay, so this year it could be possible that the logarithm formula, exponent formula, or percentage they could ask. Now, last year they have also asked about the mensuration. I hope if you remember the question was something like this. There is a rectangular box. Okay, now we are folding this rectangular box across the smaller side. We are making a cylinder. Okay, cylinder like this. We are making a cylinder. Then we need to find out what is the ratio of outer surface area to the inner two circle area. We need to find the ratio for that. Question was easy. I think if you have go through and you can watch that part, it was easy too. So this is the hierarchy of this. Approximately 4 to 5 marks we are expecting from this. Next. Analytical aptitude is a deduction, analogy, numerical relation, and reasoning. It means that in that the important topic are inequality, then silogs, blood relation, then direction and sense, okay, and coding decoding. These 5 topics are important. I hope if you have because some students have already because you have seen these problems, you have seen this questions part in the recorded session, as well as some students are from the I think some students are from the self-paced course, some students are from the online session, some students are from the offline session. All of you have got the same kind of a thing, like inequalities, logs, the blood relation, direction and sense, and coding decoding. You have learned this part. Out of 5 they see inequality and logs, इन दोनों में से कोई एक तो confirm आता है, mostly inequalities. ठीक है, so first priority is inequality, then logs, then blood relation, then coding and decoding, and then the last the direction and sense. Okay, we are expecting 3 to 5 marks of a question from this. And then finally is the spatial aptitude. Spatial aptitude is nothing but I hope if you remember that once we are looking at the mirror, what would be the inverted image thing? So translation, rotation, scaling, mirror, assembling, group, paper, folding, 2D, 3D, right? So these questions we have seen in the video in the lecture part 2. We have seen such kind of a question. I hope if you all agree with this. How many of you have seen this question before? I have already solved such kind of a question from the classroom program. I'm asking how many of you have solved this question? How many of you have solved this kind of a question from the classroom program students? I'm asking. Have anyone of you have remember that we have already solved this problem or not? Anyone? I need this answer from the chat box. Anyone? Anyone? Most of the batches this part is done. I'm asking because is are you the student of that batches where this part is done or this part hasn't done? I'm asking of this. Guys, there are 17 people. Okay, no idea. There are 17 people. None of you have remembered this part. Okay, okay. No issue. If some batches it has already done, but if in some batches it hasn't done, then it will get it done. I think from this month only, my session is about to start. So yeah, we are going to cover that part. No issue with that. Bharat and Altamash, we are going to cover that part. No issue. ठीक है. अगर नहीं हुआ है, so no issue. Don't worry about it. So this is basically the part of our general aptitude part. Okay. I'm telling you guys, general aptitude section is really important because it gives you free marks. Okay. You just have a 15 and you just have a 10 question. Okay. See why it is important. You have 10 question. You have a 10 to, I can say 13 questions, sorry. Now you have 15 to 20 marks. And to solve this question, maximum 30 to 35 minutes required. It means that within 30 to 35 minutes, you get easy 20 marks you can get. And 20 marks if you are getting, then it means you are just 10 marks less than the cutoff marks. Within 30 minutes or 35 minutes, I am saying 40 minutes. In the 40 minutes, if you have a score 20 marks, okay, this is the best result we can see. After that, you have approximately 2 hours, 20 minutes. 140 minutes it is still left. And you have total number of a question left is approximately 50. Okay. So in 50 questions and total one number is a 140. Okay. So it means approximately 2.45 minutes is remaining still. Okay, in the mathematics, you can do more questions on this. Then after that, once you have done the mathematics and your core subject, you can apply more topic. So yes, this is the how you are going to start with your study thing. So far, any doubt, guys, please ask. So far, any doubt, please ask. Anyone has any doubt, please ask. I hope all of you remember that thing, the eligibility criteria and the qualifications. I hope you all remember that thing that once you are getting qualified for the GATE examination, the scorecard is also valid for 2 years. That's why the third year student can also participate in the GATE examination because once they pass out after 2 years, the GATE score is still valid. Also, in the GATE examination, this question, okay, this data science is coming in the combination paper. It means you can, if you are the computer science student, okay, then you can give the data science out. Okay. If you are from the mechanical, you can still give you the data science. Okay. If you are from the electrical, still you can give the data science. If you are from the computer, CSE, okay, then you can give the means there is a combination available for that too. Okay, Palash is asking one question, sir. Is timing and space complexity important for gate? Yeah, Palash, if you are just asking for the gate, see, we are just observing all the data. For now, we are considering this part is important because see, if we have a 5-year question paper, then I can give you the very clear idea that this is how much important. For now, we have only 1 year paper, okay, we have only 1 year syllabus. So in that case, all I'm gonna say is yes, it is really important, and just try to solve the questions and the theory part on the basis of that because yes, this part is really important. Okay. Any people have any other doubt, they can also ask. Okay, I'm open to answer the questions which you are going to ask. Sir, is GATE really worth it? Arkadeep, why you really think like this? Is really worth it? It means what exactly worth me of yours? You are saying is the worth it? It means that sir is the particular guide we can. Okay, first we are going to Bharat, we are going to see that part first. Arkadeep, I don't think so. This question is career perspective. It's exactly the first thing is first you are going to get the most prestigious institute of the world, that is IITs, to get your master degree persuasion over there. You are going to once the campus will come, the MTech student of IIT or NIT, they usually sit with the people who are also the bachelor degree. It means who are just done the bachelor degree, and since you are doing the master degree, you both will be sitting on the same campus, same institute. It might be possible that there is a salary difference, but you are going to get at least a good opportunity where campus is directly coming to the IIT and they are getting selected to you. First thing. Second thing, second thing is once you have cracked the examination, after that there is a huge chances that you will definitely get a good mentorship level. It means that if you have done the MTech level, then you are there is a career perspective for the professor or any other thing with the college, you can go with that. Last is if you are just talking about the direct job option, if you score more than 60 to 65 marks, right? So there are some Indian PSUs where is the PHEL, NTPC, DRDO, IOCL. They directly invite you, those candidates who are interested in job rather than doing the MTech. For that, if they are asking for if you have a 65%, 65 plus marks, you can directly join the ISRO, you can directly join the bar. So this is the career objective. Next is okay. Second question there we are asking is Bharat is asking, sir, is there any particular guided way to crack? Bharat, I think that the portal there on the portal, there are three kind of students available. I told you already that there are some self-paced students are there, then online session, offline session. Focus on the things that you already learned. Okay, this is not time for the experiment. We have only 5 months left for the examination. So some students are good in the programming and data structure algorithms. Some students are good in the DBMS. Some students are good in the mathematics. Some students are good in the general aptitude. See, the machine learning and data science, this is a completely new topic. So I'm not going to assume that some of you are good or not, because this is completely new. So if if you are good at something, suppose if I'm taking as someone, people are good at the programming, data structure and algorithm. It means that you are good in this topic. Likewise, you have already scored 20 marks in good. Okay. Now to get the good ITs, okay, I'm give you the rank. Okay. From 45 to 50, I'm from 40 to 45. Whatever I'm saying data, it is for the general category. Okay. Over here, the means NIT open, okay, like NIT Patna, okay, NIT I can say Durgapur, okay, Allahabad, these are open. From 45 to 50, NIT Rourkela, NIT Tiruchi, okay, these open. But over here, some IT is also open, the new IT, okay. 50 to 55, you got the new IT as well as some old IT too. From 55 to 60, you will get all the old IITs and the ISC Bangalore too, right? Over here, once you have pursued from 60 to 65, you get the foreign university call, and from 65 to 70, here all the things are open, or PSU open, okay, or PSU open, all IT or MTech, everything is open. So this is the hierarchy marks. Suppose if you have got good marks in the data structure and algorithm, then your main focus is you have to score 30 marks more to get IIT admission, right? Now 30 marks, how you're gonna crack it, whether it is a general aptitude or mathematics or machine learning or AI, I don't want to discuss anything about that or what exactly you are going to cover. This is completely your call. But the thing is 30 marks I need from you guys to complete the 50 marks of it. First data. Second thing, for the DBMS, okay, for the DBMS, okay, for the general mathematics, general aptitude, okay, and programming data structure. Okay. These four topics are those topics where the previous year question paper are available. So last 10-year question paper of the computer science and IT, you picked up that data, solve the question of it. I'm saying that 100% sure that from the DBMS, the questions getting repeated. Okay, most of the people who are getting in, who are giving the examination of GATE computer science, they usually remember all the question of a DBMS for last 10 years, and they'll see the instance result once they are appearing for the GATE examination. They say, oh, this question I've already asked in the GATE examination. So that question is a free marks for them. So PYQ is really important. So Bharat, your question answer is a particular guide way to crack. It's the first is focus on your strength, which topic is good from your side. Focus on the marks, whatever you want to do. You want to go in the MTech, or you want to do the research, you want to do the job. According to that, there are marks distribution I have mentioned, and then focus on the PYQ. Those paper PYQ is available. Focus on that. Next question. Sir, any minimum CGPA criteria required for it? I think at least 60%, okay, and 6.5, or sorry, 7-pointer is available for that, okay. Okay, registration date and end date, I think this part has already, Altamash, we have discussed that part, okay. In the previous sessions, we have discussed that thing, the registration and end date. Kindly go and watch that part too. From there, you can give the exact idea. Does 3-year score validation means person can take admission after doing 1 year job, or person giving the third year? It doesn't mean apurva. The thing is, suppose if we are in the 2024, you are giving the examination in 2025. Okay. Now in 2025, suppose if you got the score of 52 marks, and or your all India rank is suppose 1213. Okay. Now cutoff is over here is 30 marks. Now in 2026, suppose the cutoff has went down to 26, right? And suppose this score has also increased than 1560. Okay. Then because the number is same in 2027, once you are going for the counseling again, suppose the cutoff has increased by 35. Now the rank has your rank is reduced at 999. So this is how it will work. According to this, your rank is valid in after 3 years. What would be the number and what would be the marks or what would be the percentage? That is completely up to the gate call. Okay. So yes, this marks is validated, and they can get the admission after doing the multiple jobs too. Do PSU accept gate? Yes, Vaibhav, the PSU is about to open these things that BARC and DRT, they have already started. But the other PSU, that Indian Railway, IOCL, BPCL, some mini Ratna company like SJVN or these things, they are also Engineering India Limited, Indian Railway, they are also doing that part. This year they have shown a huge vacancies on that. This next year we are also expecting a large number of vacancy for that. Okay, at least 10% vacancy for the data science. It is expecting, it is not revealed, because once the exam is over, then they reveal their true seats. So right now we cannot say that part. For IT, how much marks is required? Swapnil, for ITs, we are expecting at least 50% plus marks. Okay, so 50 marks more that is required for the ITs. Okay, the how much rank to get a seat? Okay, Shashi Venkat is saying how much rank needed to get a seat in IT. But rank wise, I cannot say, guys. Okay, see, the rank is completely unpredictable. If you are asking for the marks wise, I can say for the marks wise, if if those people who are saying below 500 or below 600, if you are getting, then you will get the good IITs. That is not absolutely true. There are certain things too. Okay, that are certain things is basically, suppose I'm giving you the small example. Suppose me and the Venkat. Okay, so me and Venkat, we have given two people who are given the data science. Okay, DS paper, right? My score is also 50. Venkat's score is also 50, but we are appearing for that. I have a less score in the data science and AI part. Okay, suppose I have scored 10 marks in this, And remaining part in the mathematics in the DSA section, other thing I have scored more. Venkat has good score in that. In the DS and AI, they have scored approximately 22 marks over there, and a remaining subject he has scored 28 marks. Okay, so on the basis of that, the Venkat will get selected in the data science and AI because the marks the first priority, because the exam that is about to given by us, it is for the specification of a data science and AI, and since Venkat has a good command on this, so the IT will prefer them only. Okay, next. What is the syllabus? Atharv, we have just discussed the syllabus part completely. I think you are a bit late. So you can have this video before and recorded format. You can see that thing. What is the syllabus for computer science information? Atharv, this part we have discussed in the yesterday session. You can check over there. Okay. In the same GFG YouTube channel too, there is also available. So you can go and watch that part too. Mayuresh, how many total seats are available for IIT? The seats is not defined by yet. Okay. Last year they have approximately 110 seats are available. This year we are not sure. Total number of seats was 110 or 120. This year seats C, the seat idea they never revealed. Okay. So we need to just get a good rank. That's all. How many marks should we get approximately about MTech in artificial intelligence in IIT? 50 marks plus, okay. For IITs, 50 marks plus. For NITs, 45 marks plus. For general category. Now, Apurva is asking, sir, how will be GFGTA course? How will be GFGTA course? I'm not getting this question. How will be GFGTA course? It means that what is exactly the GFGTA course you are asking for me, Bharat? Bharat, please explain your question again. Apurva, meanwhile, the Apurva question we are going to see how. Okay, so Apurva, the vacancy of a PSU is available once the examination. Your exam will be over on the Feb. Your result will be declared on the April starting or March end. Okay, mostly we are likely to start as the April starting. Once it has done, then all the PSU, okay, they revealed their seats. Okay, or the number of vacancies that are available. So they are going to attend that part, and then you will get to know how much seats are available. How much marks are required for the ISC? For the ISC this last year, okay, ISC has opened after 55 to 60. So ISC is on the top rank, okay. So generally it open after 58 marks. So for that we are expecting at least 60 marks, that's it. Okay. But okay, you are asking for GATE data science. See why this is good enough. So thing is, on the basis of that, okay, the mathematics part plus the general aptitude part, the DBMS part, the machine learning, AI, programming and data structure algorithm, every data is tailored to your need and it has focused on the newest syllabus. Okay, we haven't tried to give anything extra. We haven't tried to give anything less. It is up to mark. If you have just studied, then this part is more than absolutely good. Okay, last year once we have this thing came, then we have because this is the first time we have also focused, so there are something that we think like, okay, if you're just asking me, I am for the mathematics and the general aptitude mentor. I think that in the calculus part I need to deliver more data. Okay, so I have delivered more data to the student, and then student later on they have mentioned that, okay, sir, I think this question hasn't asked, and they never asked this kind of a question. So now we have prepared, we have understood since we have seen the question paper. So yes, the data is more than enough. It is more than enough to crack the examination. You just have to just watch the video section, or if you are from the live section, okay, if you are from the live lecture, you just attend the live lecture, okay, from the online or offline section. The mentors are available and they are going to help you. Last, I think 5 years is more than enough to solve if you have a good command on the certain topics. So yes, that are good and more than enough. Shashi Venkat, sir, are you going to conduct all syllabus classes on YouTube? Shashi, we are not sure about that. Okay. But for the PYQs, we are coming with the new session plan. Over there, I'm going to discuss some PYQs and we are going to see some questions that are about to come in the examination. Next, Mohan Rai is mentioned. Hello, sir. How much marks is required to get MTech in the mechanical engineering? And for the mechanical guys, okay. So the mechanical thing is also a very abstract thing. Sometimes since the IIT Kharagpur is making the paper this year, and the top mechanical branch is for the IIT Kharagpur. Okay, so yes, uh, it might be possible that for the mechanical engineering there could be a top-notch question available in this year. But yes, again, for the general category, minimum 45 to 50 marks is required. 50 below, there is no chance you will get the IT. And if you're just talking about the IT robot or something like new ITs, it might be possible. Suppose if you have the any category or any reservation is available, then less than 45 you will get it. But for the general category, it's very hard for it. So 40, so not 40, I say 50 marks is minimum required. Okay. Any other question, guys? Any other question? Quickly ask. Sir, can you explain about the marking scheme, especially MSQ? Okay, Anirudh, I am coming to that point already. Okay, this syllabus part is done. Okay. This is the, I think the total number of hour is a 3 hours question paper. Okay. That is a computer based test, total 65 questions and 100 marks. General aptitude 10 question, remaining artificial intelligence, data science, everything is a 55 question. Three kind of a question they usually ask: MCQ, MSQ, and NAT. MCQ, it is called as our multiple choice question. Out of a 1, 2, 3, 4, we have a one option correct. You need to just mark that one. You will get, for correct answer, you will get 1 marks, and for incorrect answer, you will deduct it by 1/3 marks. Okay. Second one is MSQ. For the MSQ is a multiple select question. For certain question, option number A and option number 3 are correct. So you need to point both of them. If you have corrected a both part, then you will, for the correct marks, you will get 2 marks. And for the incorrect, suppose if you have just pointed on the option number 1, okay, and you left the option number 3, it means you have just done the half of the problem. It doesn't mean that you will get 1 marks. You will still get 0 marks. If you have done wrong way, then you will get a minus of a 2/3. Okay. And then the last one is a NAT problem. NAT, it means that there is a fill in the blanks. You need to fill the data via using the virtual keyboard with the help of a mouse. So over here, you have to put the data, and suppose your answer is coming as a 66.67. You need to put over here. But some people, they will also get a 66.66. So these both answer are correct. That's why there is no negative marking in the NAT kind of a question. Okay. The question scheme are 1 marks, 2 marks, maximum 2 marks, minimum 1 marks. That's all. Okay. So this is how the marks distribution will work. Now, this is the marking scheme I have already mentioned. Yes. So basically 5 marks question, 5 question in 1 marks in the general aptitude, and 5 question of a 2 marks. Okay. So generally it will be 25. I'm saying again, guys, the question could be changed. The marking could be changed. We are expecting 15 to 25 marks in that. In the core discipline, 25 questions will be 1 marks question, 30 marks question of the 2 marks. Okay. In that 30 marks, there is mostly MSQ, and over here, MCQ and NAT. Okay. This is combinedly made by the 100 marks. And if you are asking for the book recommendation, I have mentioned in front of you. Here is the books that we are going to recommend you for that. If you want to study, then you can go and find out these books data. But guys, I am to be very precisely. These are the 2 books data I'm going to give you. But you can stop the video and take the screenshot. It will be available, so don't worry about it. You can take the screenshot right now too, or you can ask. This video will be available later on. So this is not time to run the books. Suppose if you are asking me, and the GFG website, on the GFG portal, there are certain things we got. Suppose if you are asking for the machine learning, okay. For the machine learning, we have sections available. The recorded lecture, okay. Then once you have learned the recorded lecture, then you need some theory, okay. Then we have the note section. Once the note section is done, then we have a short notes also available. Then if it is done, then you need some quizzes, okay. You need some subject-wise test. Once you have done, then you have the test series. Okay. And once you have done, then you have the PYQ. So this is how we have arranged the data in our portal. Those people who are from the self-paced course, this is how they get. For the online and offline batches student, we started with the lecture, then we give you the notes as a hard copy too. Once the notes is done, the quizzes and the subject-wise test, we took it in our portal, and the test series and the PYQ discussion is done in our classroom program itself. So this is how it went for that. Where will be the video available? Bharat, it is available on the portal. Okay. If you are the student, if you are Bharat, you are the, I don't know where you are, the self-paced student or the online or offline student, but it will be available on the portal. You can see, you can go and watch. PYQ of the GATE. Ashrit, the PYQ is available mostly on the theoretical form on the GATE official website. Oh, sorry, on the GFG official website. You just go check the previous question paper of a GATE computer science or GATE data science. It is a fully solved paper is available over there. You can go and watch that part. It is absolutely free. There is nothing to pay for it. It is completely free, guys. You can watch. Any one of you can go and watch the GFG website. Most of the data content is mostly free. We just charge a very less amount of a thing which is negligible. Okay, so you can get these things very easily. It is available. Okay. Mohan, for the mechanical engineering, I haven't. I'm not a good person to speak the syllabus right now. I think if you want, then you just need to visit on the GATE website. That will be more helpful for you. And Mayuresh is asking, so if MSQ two option is right, but option are selected, but out of this one is correct and other, what will be the final marking? See, Mayur, if the one option is correct and one option is incorrect, it means that here there is a combined answer for that. I'm giving you the example for that. Okay, x square is equal to 4. So x is equal to plus minus 2. Now answer is 2 minus 2, 0.2 and 4. Okay. So this and this both are correct. Suppose if we have just click on this, but this is the half answer. This one is also correct. In that case, there will be no marking and 2 by 3 will be deducted. So if you are not sure, then leave the question. That is really important. In the MSQ, if you are solved, you are also getting 2 marks now. And since if you are not getting the true, then it might be possible that you will get the negative mark. Yes, Mohan, aptitude is same almost for all of them. There is no difference in that. Okay. Last part I'm going to discuss. This is the last year question paper. Okay. There the general aptitude was asked in 10 question, 15 marks. Probability statistics 10 question, 16 marks. Linear algebra 6 question, 10 marks. Calculus 5 question, 8 marks. Programming data structure 13 question, 21 marks. DBMS 6 question, 8 marks. Machine learning 8 question, 11 marks. AI 7 question, 11 marks. This is what we have received in the last year. Okay. So on the basis of that, you need to start your preparation, guys. We have a very less amount of time left. Don't enjoy any kind of a festival this year. Just avoid all of this. Focus on the study. Okay. Don't run for the books. Don't run for the random content available that are available on the website or any YouTube or the Google website. This time you need a crunch data. Okay. I'm not saying that yes, we are the only one who are providing the crunch data, but just don't go randomly. I'm saying because GFG is providing you the very crunch and the efficient data, you must see that thing. Okay. I'm not saying if you just see, then you just buy it. Okay. You just, I am saying that you just see that thing. If you think like this, then you can go for it. Okay. You can go for it. This is what I'm saying. But the end of the story is you need something, a very specific target oriented, exam oriented data. Consume only that part. Focus on only PYQs. Don't do any new experiment right now. This is not the good time. Don't buy a book, try to start over and learn the entire section. This is not how you're going to cover the entire topic. Make a time schedule for it. Do the PYQs, do the maximum number of a question as possible. Go for the GATE websites. Okay, they are After a certain period of time, their question paper is also available, which is called as a mock test. Do that thing, try to understand where is exactly you are. From November onwards, take any kind of a test series, okay? So test series, pick the test series, do these things. These are the how you are going to select in the examination. This is 5 months, okay? This is 150 days. If you have just focused right now, I'm 100% sure that you will get the good IITs, definitely. Because लास्ट में ही जो हाथ पैर मारता है वही थोड़ा आगे जाता है because start from starting we are doing so but in the last time if you have done something in the organized way you will definitely participate. Okay, anyone has any doubt? Otherwise this session is good to end. Anyone has any other doubt? Okay, okay, so this is all for today, guys. Don't worry, this is not the end of the session. We are going to come up on the regular basis, on the weekly basis. One of the mentors from the GFG, they are coming on the YouTube and they are going to show you some data that is really relevant to your examination. Okay, so we are also discussing some PYQs. We are also discussing some questions. All the data and things that you will get before the notification you will get. So try to come on the time and join the session. That is absolutely free of cost. You can see the remaining part over there. Okay. So this is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys on the next session. Okay. Well then, thank you so much.